Oh, look at that rainbow toasty. Hey everyone, it's James from FunFoods, and I'm not in my kitchen today. I am here in Orlando, Florida in a hotel, and we made some rainbow grilled cheese. I've made this on my channel before in a live stream, but this time we made it, and I'm putting it out there so you can see exactly how I do it. I'm with Werther Millers. Natalie's over here. Say hi.
Jen Hogan's house, spring break!
The kids are in the pool. We made them some of these to bring to the kids, and we're going to show you the cheese pool in just a moment. How we pull them apart. They're rainbow grilled cheese. They call them rainbow toasties. So keep watching and I'll show you step by step how to make these. All right, so we're gonna make a rainbow grilled cheese. I've done this before on my channel, but this time it's also called a rainbow toasty. That's what they call it in the UK, right? Yeah. So we're here with Werther Millers and they're gonna help me out with this. They're vlogging it as well. We're in a hotel room, so we don't have a grill. So we're using an iron. And I have some foil, some aluminum foil that we're going to use so we don't mess up the iron and stuff. Start off with some toast, or some bread I should say. We're gonna butter it. So just spread some butter on some bread. Pretty simple thing here. Butter in a bunch of these. We're gonna make a bunch of these because the kids are at the pool and we're gonna bring them down for lunch. So we butter actually the opposite sides of this. Now I'm gonna do both of these at once. Hey, say hi to Natalie. I'm going to do two of these at once because the iron should be good enough to get pretty much both.
That is exciting.
Covering it with, I'm going to get as close as possible. Yeah. And we're going to, I'm just pressing down. Hopefully this works. We don't know.
If it doesn't, you'll never see it.
Yeah, you'll never know.
Although I've just put it on Instagram, so it needs to work. At least one of them. Oh.
You can see the steam coming up.
Yeah.
Like something's happening there.
It's so exciting.
So I'm just toasting them first, and then I'll make the cheese and put in between there. I mean, look,
it's going. It's going.
It's going. It
Oh, that's
you can
so exciting.
smell it.
Yeah.
So if you're ever stuck in a hotel room and you want something easy to make, you don't feel like going out, just go to the local store, grab some bread, some butter, and you can make your own grilled cheese in the room. It's this simple, really. Now, that's good enough for right now. We are going to do some more, if you want to look at that and see.
Oh, how squished they are.
Yeah, well, that's the whole point. Now, I'm going to leave it like that so it doesn't mess things up. But we have some food coloring here. This is how we're going to change our cheese.
Oh, you've got cups. I'm like, do we need
Red Solo cups. What color should we do? Because we have red, blue, green, and yellow, but I know purple. How do you make purple? Is it red and blue?
Yeah.
So I'm just taking some regular mozzarella cheese and I'm dividing it into some of these bowls. Pretty simple to do here. Cleaning lady hasn't come to the hotel yet, so
which
we're
is good. Yeah, sorry for the mess.
We'll put a couple drops of blue. This is just regular food coloring. This is gel based because it's better that way. Blue and red, which makes purple. And just mix this up. Now, as you mix it, it won't show up very well at first, but it will get there. We'll go with blue, red, and green, I guess. We're just going, this is going to be like a light blue. Mixing this up here, we'll do red.
Yeah, and do like yellow or green or something.
Okay,
yellow
to stand out.
Yeah.
Yellow. Like I said, it won't show up very red at first, but it will get there. And when it melts, that's when the color really comes through.
Oh, wow.
Okay, so now we have these already toasted. We're gonna flip them over now. They're really thin, but we're gonna lay them across. Now, how are we gonna cut them? Are we gonna cut them in the middle? Because we want all the colors to show.
Yeah, in the middle, so if you put like in squares, not triangles.
Yes, that's what I was.
Yeah, so you need to lay it across.
Just, we're gonna layer this across. This is gonna be the purple. And then we'll do blue. Then we'll do yellow and red, or red and yellow. What do you think?
Yellow and red.
Yellow then red, that way that yellow pops.
Yeah.
Look at that, yellow, and then some red. Oh yeah, that's nice. So I'm gonna move these out of the way because we have more to make. So that's what it looks like right now. And all we have to do, take this, it's very thin, put that just like so, and then we're going to put the foil back on. So now we're going to cook it on both sides this time. Let's steam this thing up.
Even one side of it.
Oh yes.
Oh, no
Look,
way.
it's starting to get a little browning.
Ah,
So I'm going to flip it over because we get the other side brown too. And remember, use foil so that you don't ruin the hotel's iron and stuff. That would be uncool. Okay, what do you think, Natalie?
Go. This is the bad
This is the moment of truth.
Oh, it's happened. Oh, I messed up. Camera decided to unfocus here.
Are you there?
I'm there. No way.
Oh, cheese pull.
Oh, it's so
Cheese
exciting.
toasty. So that's one, guys. We have a bunch more to make.
So I can get a wee picture.
Going to get a good cheese pull here. Check it out. Oh, look at that. Rainbow toasty.
Oh
Nice. Nice.
It's just the cheese. So
How's it taste?
yeah, what do you do? Cut these on.
This is cheese toasty.
Tastes like cheese toasty? Okay, well that's good. It's pretty good, huh? It's pretty cool, isn't it?
Yeah. Let's try one.
You want to try one? You want to do the pull part? Oh, watch the...
Cut that and then fold
Just
it.
cut a little bit and then
So-
flip it over and cut it a little bit. Then
Yeah, here, you need a knife? Where did the knife go? Oh, there it is.
Good.
And if you just like, if you can cut as little as possible, so you want
Don't cut it right away.
you want to you want to kind of grab it and just pull it apart. See if you can pull it apart where you
and then flip it over. It just seems like cheese, doesn't it? Right, ready?
pull it. Look at that. Oh, look at that.
Oh.
How is it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cheese toast. Double pull, double pull.
Double.
Hold it in the middle, hold it in the middle.
Oh. Cut too
starting-
far.
Yeah.
That's all right. It's all good. Well, those are not as warm. These were the warmest ones, so that's
Yeah.
why it too. Well, thanks everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching me make these rainbow grilled cheese sandwiches. A lot of fun making these. Something simple, easy you can make in your hotel room with an iron. Of course, use the tin foil so you don't destroy the iron and you don't mess things up. But it's a lot of fun. You can make it quick and easy for yourself if you just want a grilled cheese sandwich in your hotel room. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit that like button. Also hit that big red subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. You get new videos all the time. And check out some of the videos I have off to the side. And always check out We're the Millers. You'll see it in the description below. You'll see it in the description below, as well as one of those cards. Till then, I'll see you next time.